how can we bridge the gap between the research and medical development, whether it's a medical device or any pharmaceuticals. So how we can bridge that gap between these two, that is what we are going to talk today. This is a very critical component because as this industry is developing and it is increasing in size, the development and the research part both needs to go hand in hand. So we'll consider a few aspects like how this can be done. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel where I share various tips, tutorial ideas related to medical career and growth development ideas. So let's get started with today's topic. So we need a better collaboration with the academic institutions and the industry, which will help in improving the production of medical devices and pharmaceuticals or any medical technology. So basically, the translation of this research into the actual products, it is blocked by regulatory hurdles and funding constraints. These are the two major blockages which are stopping this kind of translation from research to the development. And there is a strong need for this academic industry partnership to address these barriers between research and the actual product development. When I see at the high level, what I see is industry is quite weak on the discovery aspect. eh? And when it comes to research institutions or universities which are majorly involved in this kind of research activities, they are weaker on the development aspect or the commercialization aspect. So this academia's contributions is very significant. They produces number of benefits, right from research funding, continuous flow of graduates or skilled labor who is contributing to the industry goals. They play a significant role in novel discoveries, education, training, and other intellectual properties, patents, and copyrights, all those things. So this usually comes from the academia side. And when we look at the translation challenges, uh, in spite of this academia's or this research institute's impact this on so many areas, there is a lack of actual biomedical or pharmaceutical products due to cost and these regulatory challenges, and this kind of development gets hampered. And there are some efforts required to do this kind of translation. We need to aim to improve the academia industry partnership for better medical products development. Okay. And what happens is, because of this, the lack of beneficial biomedical products, there is insufficient use of funding, uh, and they have risk aversion. When it comes to industry, they are not very much risk taking. They are very conscious in taking any risk, and they limit themselves recycling the old technology instead of introducing the new ones. So when it comes to this recycling, this can be a topic of debate and discussion itself, because we need to find newer uses for existing technology, but at the same time we need to explore newer opportunities or newer technologies uh, for further development. And there are certain regulatory challenges, and they have, like, because of this unfamiliarity, uh, they have lack of time, lack of money, and the involvement from regulatory offices is too late in the process. So efforts at university level demands like offices like translation and regulatory affairs, some entrepreneurship and startups, but academia they lack resources for commercialization or development, right, as I mentioned in the beginning. So there is this requirement for academia industry partnership where universities can focus on high risk research activities and industry can control the risk in the clinical trials and development. So this partnership is very essential for product development, and they play significant role in medical device, pharmaceutical designing, uh, which the designers they can bridge the gap between the research and product development by identifying collaborative opportunities and educating researchers on the commercialization. So this both way uh, upskilling or reskilling is required. Okay, and when it comes to industry side, they need to like interact more with academia, and they should also value the regulatory what you call involvement or regulatory challenges. They should um, understand that, right? So this partnership is very critical because when they complement each other, then only both of them can move in a faster way and in a better way, right? Then they can only make the product development much more easier, which can help academics rewarding the engagement for the product development and developing new business models. This is something expected from the industry because they are good at commercialization. So we need to create that awareness to bridge this gap between invention and innovation. So invention is something creation of something new, and innovation is basically involving the application of improvement of inventions to bring out some practical change or values. So the academia industry needs to demonstrate the efforts to fill the gap and identify industry academia partnership opportunities, right? So when we can, if we can work on this constraint and limitations, we can develop this stronger bond, and this medical device development and pharmaceutical or in medical technology development can happen in a much more faster way. So these are some of the thoughts on how we can work on this partnership, industry, academia, and boost the medical product development. I hope you found this video useful. Please share this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. That's all for now. This is Dr. Nitin signing out. Bye bye.